day, sir. My name is Maria Gilita Milici Santiago from 3EBSIS. The metric make overpins in coffee KPI strategy, the problem and diagnosis. The Beans Coffee scenario highlights the classic business issue relying solely on a lagging indicator, total daily sales. Lagging indicator measure outcomes that have already happened. The review, mirror, and are too late to change. Symptoms. Total review is high but proof is implementing. Root cause, operational cost, strains, staff on long lines, and high customer churn. Without ordering. Conclusion. The client is ignore the operational cost that is causing the proof of link. We must move behind the sales and identify what is going wrong. Now to fix the future. Here are the explanation behind the scenes coffee KPI strategy. The main problem in the scenario is that the company is relying only one of the measurements, total daily sales, and this is a lagging indicator, which means it only tells them what has already happened because of the notes problem too late. Then even to their total review looks like their profit is actually dropping. Then so sometimes else is going wrong inside the business. When we look at deeper, is a real issue is a personal shoes the staff are stressed. Lines are long and many customers leaving before ordering. That means the company lost potential sales even if a many customer visit. And in the conclusion is the company is focusing too much to sales number of ignoring the personal problems that are causing the profit leak. To improve their need to look and better KPI is that reflect what is happening that now just what happened in the end of the day. In short, to fix big business, they must have behind just tracking total sales and start measure that what affects that customer experience and over efficiency.
For task 1, new KPI definitions to drive decisions and identify the root cause. We introduce 1 leading indicators and 1 normalized KPI. A leading indicator, average customer wait time, or ECWT, is key performance or KPI. It's measure that helps a business check if they are doing well or not. It's like a score that shows how good their performance is. By looking at KPI, a business can see what needs to be improved so they can serve customers better and avoid future problems. Types leading indicator, the windshield, is a leading indicator which means it shows early sign or what might happen in the future. If the time gets longer, it can warn the business that customer might become unhappy or unsatisfied. Next is definition. The average time elapsed for the customers joining until they receive their order. ECWT is the average time a customer waits from the moment they fall in line until they get their order. It simply measures how long customer wait. And lastly, rational. Leading indicators measure activities that predict future success and allow the intervention. So, rational is important because long waiting time can cause stress to employees. Make sure store look unorganized and make customer leave or complain. If the business monitor ECWT, they can fix the problem early before customer get angry or give negative review.
Normalized KPI revenue per transactions or RPT. Type normalized metric. Definition: total daily sales or total number of transactions, average order value. So, revenue per transactions or RPT is calculated by taking the total daily sales and dividing it by the total number of transactions. Sugad sini ang average order value. So, in rationale, normalization is essential because just looking at the total revenue can be misleading. Bangin damang kwarta pero damaliwat ang transactions, or gutian kwarta pero gutiliwat ang customers. So, to be fair, we normalize it by dividing sales by each transactions. So, this helps us understand true efficiency, meaning pera ang ginagastos ng kada customer and how good the staff are the upselling, and if the menu pricing is performing well. So RPT allows more accurate comparison across different stores and different staffing levels. So in short, RPT shows how much revenue each transaction brings in, giving a fair and realistic measurement of sales performance.
Hello sir, I am Christine Gilmagan and I am assigned to discuss this part of our presentation. So for task 2, ang ating focus is SMART targets and thresholds. So ang SMART is, usa siya nga framework na ang ibig sabihin ay specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Gagamit ta ini para masigurado na tanan na performance indicators natin is malinaw, realistic, and madali siya matrack. As you can see on the table, nagsiset kitsan mga targets nga limit na nagsisilbi nga guide kung okay ba ang performance, kailangan na ba nga ayuson, or critical na ang situation. We're using green, yellow, and red status system para mas madali maintindihan. For example, adi nga average customer wait time or ACWT. Classified siya as a leading indicator. Ibig sabihin, nakakabulig siya nga tighon or i-anticipate ang performance in the future. Kapag green or target level, dapat mas mababa sa 3 minutes ang average waiting time. Ibig sabihin, smooth and efficient ang proseso. Kapag yellow or warning level naman, pumapasok hanggang sa 3 hanggang mas mababa pa sa 5 minutes. Didi pala kailangan na naton bantayan dahil bangin lumala kung diri dayon ma-address. Kapag red or critical level naman, umaabot sa 5 minutes or mas mataas pa ang waiting time. Asya na in-endpoint na needs an immediate action. Kay naapektuhan ang service quality ng customer satisfaction. Sa pamamagitan sa pagset sa SMART targets ng thresholds, mas madali natin mamomonitor ang performance para mas mapaupay pa ang serbisyo. That's all. Thank you.